How to backup and load worlds in Minecraft Java Edition. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily backup worlds and load it on your Minecraft. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Minecraft Java Edition. Once you've done that, you'll find the single player, multiplayer, and Minecraft realms. Go ahead and click on the single player mode where you have your worlds created. Now once you have done that, you're going to have to find the world that you want to backup. So just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the world, you're going to have an option called Edit on the bottom left corner of your screen, and click on it. And once that is done, you will have an option called Make Backup to create a backup for this particular world. And once the backup is created, it will show you the file size at the top right corner. This depends on the time that you spend on the world. So if you spend more time on the world that you're trying to backup, the backup size will also be greater than this. Now, once your backup has been created, you will see the backup example right here on top. Click on that world, and in order to extract it and load it out, you're going to have to go ahead and click on it and then click on Edit again. Then after that, you're going to have to open up your backups folder. So it will open up your backup folders on your computer, and from here you're going to have to select the world that you want to load. So first you're going to have to extract it because all of these are saved in a zip file. Click on it, and then from here you can drag and drop it on your desktop. So choose the world, drag and drop it, open the zip file, and then extract it wherever you want. Here the file has been extracted to the desktop. After that, you're going to have to go back to the .minecraft folder right here. And once you go back to this folder, you're going to drag and drop the backup example or the world on this particular folder. So once you have dragged and dropped it on this folder, you will see it right here. Now you can just go ahead and load this up on your Minecraft and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.